Yeah. All right. Paige, I hope you don't mind me just having a little fun, you know. I know this your joint. I always like the song, so I figured I may as well go in. Shit. Here we go.
I'm still fly.
Yeah.
I'm sky high, and I dare anybody to try and cut my wings. I'm still pulling out the phantom, and these haters can't stand
That's
them,
me
nigga.
singing, by the way.
I'm still doing my
you didn't
thing.
know.
I'm still fly.
Yeah.
I'm sky
Some new shit. It's some new shit I'm
high,
on.
and I dare anybody to try and cut my wings.
I promise I got 'em, though.
I'm still shutting cities down.
Love.
Every time I come around, nigga, I'm still doing my thing. I'm still
responsible for everything you listen to. Our mediocre talent proceeds to try and condition you. Took over my city and I never asked permission to. Started popping bottles cause it's ATF tradition to. Celebrated by them all. Fuck them at the Soho. If they ain't an elevator in it, it's a no-go. Coldest thing dropping and these bitches wanna snow blow. And they just give me head while the haters give me promo. Hey man, my DJ should've won that. With listen and respect, man, the city owe us one back. All these old heads keep their minds on one track. And me, I run Toronto, holla at me when you're done laps. Roll around with Nico, party with Azuka. Shot goes out the wonder, shot goes out the future. Shot goes out to get it, motherfucker, I am ready. And whoever got the torch just can't seem to hold it steady. Cause I see the flame flickering, ex-girls bickering. Got these women jocking me from Heart Lake Road to Pickering. I tried to send my nigga short some syrup out in Michigan, but my connect said it'll take a minute if you're listening. Please start doing you. I've been doing me, and I'm a staple in my city. You can never ruin me. Rappers are emotional, critics be reviewing me, but I got love for everybody, even if you're suing me. My brother P. Rain knows we fuck with the same hoes. Plus he taught me how to spot an officer in plain clothes. Staring at you pussy niggas, all I see is rainbows. Hopping on the jet to every single Lil Wayne show. Me and Lil Jazzy. Please do not.
Hustle, trying to shine, about that paper, we getting more. Tell you this is how we live and how we roll. Yeah, cause I'm a thug, on the grind, up on the fire, hustle, trying to shine, we about that paper, we getting more. Tell you this is how we live and how we roll. I had to come back strong to show these bitches I ain't playing. With a pistol on my lap, yeah, they know I ain't a game. Money, mo, and C4, on the track with bays. Yeah, you know we gonna blow like a fucking grenade. You could call me a test, cause I know I'm the bomb. Last night I skipped the show and had a date with your mom. Yeah,
What did she say?
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say?
Jason Derulo.
That it's all for the best, because it is.
I was so wrong for so long, only trying to please myself. Girl, I was caught up in her lust when I don't really want no one else. So no, I know I should have treated you better, but me and you were meant to last forever. So let me in, give me another chance to really